Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I am going to be doing an initial unboxing on some hair that I bought with my own coin. So if you're interested in seeing this hair and hearing my thoughts on what I think about this particular hair, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay everybody, this hair came from Queen Like Hair. I ordered it and it came via UPS. It came in one of these, I like these bags. And I've never heard of this company, and I'm kind of nervous. I did, like I said, pay for this with my own money, and this is the AliExpress company. And AliExpress companies have been doing really well lately to me. I've been getting some pretty good hair, so I want to try out a company that I never tried out. And not only have I not tried out this company, I never heard of it. I kind of went by the ratings on how the hair was, and I went through the comments and all of that, and they said it was pretty good. So we're gonna see, because you know me, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth for real, and I'm gonna be mad because it's my money and I work hard for my money. She works hard for the money. Okay, so this is the card that came with it. There we go. Queen Like. And they give you the different little barcodes that you can scan for their store, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And I haven't viewed any of their social media or anything, but I'm going to do that after I record this video and then let y'all know. Oh, okay, now I remember. I kind of forgot what I got, but I have a 18-inch bundle, a 20-inch bundle, and a 22-inch bundle. And it says a 16-inch closure on here, but y'all, this is not a closure. This is a frontal. And I gotta tell y'all something, because you know we family, we can talk to each other, you know what I'm saying? We family. I mean, I'm terrified of frontals. I'm terrified of frontals. There's the frontal. They got little baby hairs. You see the little baby hairs. It's like they tried to do some pre-plucking, but I'm going to go back in and do some plucking myself. But y'all, this hair is silky. It's like a natural color. It smells like beauty supply store hair. Doesn't smell bad. But here's the frontal. It's a 13x4 ear-to-ear frontal. You know what I'm going to do, y'all? I'm going to take you along with me on this frontal journey. I'm going to take you along with me on this frontal journey, because just being a beginner and starting off, like the things that I experienced with trying to learn how to pluck a frontal. So I'm going to do it all on camera. I hope that's okay with y'all. And y'all look at the videos, because a lot of times people, they just, by the time you see their videos, they're a frontal expert for the most part. But if I bald this frontal, if I put a bald patch in here, I'm going to show y'all, and then I'm going to show y'all what I did to fix it. We're gonna go through this thing together, okay? So, give me a thumbs up, you know, if you like that idea. And I'm going to bleach this thing. I'm going to bleach the knots. I'm going to bleach the knots in the frontal, And I'm not sure what color I'm gonna do the hair. We'll see. But there's the frontal. Here's the, I'm gonna start off with the longest. Here's the 22 inch. It's body wave, as you can see. Sorry about the crumpling. They have it in a protective net. Here is the hair. Doesn't smell like anything. The wefting looks really good. But I'm noticing something else. This hair is very dry, and let's see. Ooh. They have those pop-ups. Pop-ups. It's dry. This hair needs a good deep conditioning, and these ends need to be cut. And it's shedding. Hold up. Yeah, come on now. Come on. You see this? Oh. Oh. Look at that. I ain't did nothing to the hair. This hair. Oh my God. Okay, I don't feel nothing else. This hair needs a deep conditioning. But it says 100% human hair. Let me go to this 20-inch bundle. I'm gonna be mad. Maybe that was just a bad bundle. It does have the hairnet on it. No smell. This one it has the pop-up. It's pop-ups. The little sparse hairs as well. The wefting looks good. Again, this is the 20-inch. This hair feels softer than the last bundle. The ends look better. The ends look better. I have no shedding. I have no shedding in this bundle. Okay, Queen like hair. Don't play me. 'Cause I'm gonna tell everything. Okay, that has a netting on it. The bearding looks very good. I'm not the bearding. The wefting. The wefting and the bearding looks good. It has no odor. This, okay, I got one strand. Now, that one strand, that don't bother me. But the other was like 4 strands. Like I pulled it and it was like 4 strands came out. Okay, there's another strand. That usually indicates that the wefting is not as good as it appears to be. Sometime, and I will say this, sometime when they're manipulating the hair in the factory, you know, they have all kind of stuff laying around, all kind of hair or whatever, and then they weft it and bundle it together. So sometimes it be like loose hair left over, but we're gonna see, because once I make this unit and I deep condition and all that good stuff, if it continues to shed, no good Queen like hair. But I don't seal my wefts. I used to seal my wefts like all the time, and that was years ago. I stopped sealing my wefts because it took too much time, and to me, it didn't really make a difference. Then when I started to, some hair I sew, some hair I use the hot glue method, depending on the type of hair it is and the styling and what all I'm going to be doing to the hair. So this hair I know I'm going to sew, because with the, and the reason I'm going to sew it is because with the lace front in 3 bundles, I'm going to have to double my wefts. And when I double my wefts, I sew it down because I need some type of spacing in my wig so that it can have some stretch in it. It's nothing like putting on a wig and you got all these wefts sitting right on top of each other, and then it's like a helmet, you know, no good. So again, no smell. This feels much better than the first one. This actually feels like the best one, and it is the shortest. I had a couple of strands come out. You see the little split hairs, the little pop-up hairs. Let me see. Yeah, you see the little pop-ups? Yeah. The ends are okay. The ends are okay. So we're gonna see, you all. We're gonna see how this turns out. So in my next video that you see with this hair, I should be, I don't know. I don't want to give you any promises because I don't know. I may try to condense everything. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this, but you're going to see at least 2 more videos on this hair so you can see the type of process I'm going to be going through with this queen-like hair. So yeah, I was just looking for, yeah, you can see. I was trying to see, maybe they bleached the, yeah, I knew they didn't bleach it. I knew, because it don't look like it's bleached on this side. And I just want to show you, when you open this up, you can see the knots. See them knots? Yeah. So we're gonna see what kind of creation I come up with this hair. I want to thank you all for tuning into my video. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I put up new videos. If you have any ideas or anything like that that you want me to try it on my video, please put them in the comments below. I have some new and exciting things that's coming up. I have all kind of things coming up on this channel. And until next time, people, peace and blessings. Bye.